pied kingfisher, a small bird with a big beak, a third of its body length. When defending their territories, they produce a stream of shrill chirps. But when hunting, they are masters of stealth. As they hover 30 feet above the water, setting their sights, they dive to catch fish unawares, or even a ripple, giving the birds a 15-millisecond head start on their prey. The shape of their beaks makes them so stealthy, it's influenced the design of high-speed trains. The kingfisher's ability to minimize sound make them one of the Delta's most successful